In the heart of modern factories, a quiet revolution is taking place. Traditional quality inspection, once reliant on human eyes, is being transformed by artificial intelligence. Computer vision systems, trained on thousands of images, can now detect microscopic defects with superhuman accuracy. These AI models, built on deep learning architectures, analyze every product on the assembly line in real time. They identify scratches, dents, or misalignments that might escape human notice. The benefits are clear: higher consistency, reduced waste, and faster production cycles. But integrating AI isn't just about replacing human inspectors. It's about augmenting their capabilities, allowing them to focus on complex problem solving. As these systems learn from each inspection, they become more precise, adapting to new product variations. The result is a smarter, more efficient factory floor where quality is guaranteed by algorithms. The takeaway? AI isn't just inspecting products, it's redefining